headed? Blizzard Beach. Say that?
Hello everyone, and
Blizzard
welcome aboard Teamboat Transportation System.
Buddy, look. Whoop. Hey. Only big boys touch the water. What? Only big boys. Hey! You're not a big boy, are you? You can't get hit by water. All right, let's go, go, go. Oh, you got hit. Oh, don't get hit. Whoa. Woohoo! Nice. Go, Owie! Yay! Go, Will! Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa! Nice. What? All right. Whoa! Nice, dude. Wow, we're taking a chairlift up to the top, Mama.
Are we going on that slide?
No, we're not going on that one. What do you think, little dude? Is this a good ride? You like this one?
Yeah.
It's like the Skyliner, isn't it?
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Raise your feet up. All right. Let's walk. What do you think, Owie? Here. Now grab on this handle. Hold on. hold on to that handle.
Hold on this handle. There we go.
Hold on.
Let's go.
It's okay. Here we go. Hold on. Woohoo! Whoa! 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 Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoa! Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa! Was that fun? You want? That purple one. Oh, I didn't see it. Don't know it. Woohoo! In the cave. Oh, wow. Is this a fun ride? Yeah? Oh, this is the ice skater's house. You see an ice skater? Oh, there they are. The ice skater? Oh, here. Where's that silly ice skater? Go Will! Hi Owen! I'm right here! Look at that! Nice, Will! Good job, dude!
Have a great ride.
Woohoo! Whoa, Will! Whoa! 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 What do you think? You gonna play in it? So how's everybody's day at Blizzard Beach?
Good.
Good? What was your favorite part?
The tube slide.
The tube slide?
Yeah,
what about you?
That just has hills.
That just has hills? What about you? Your
And
favorite part?
Jump down the hill.
Taking a nap?
It just did boing.
Yep. Alright.
It
Oh, that's a little star. Ours is
did.
Bienvenidos.
It did.
Well, we just went to Blizzard Beach. Of course it was cold.